There you go. We got the chase. Let's take a look on these moving parts. Very, very, very cool. You know I'm getting this, definitely. Wow. Ooh, guys, look at this. Let's go. Ferrari 365 GTB4 competition. Pass and go. Wow, guys. Hopefully we got like a super treasure on here. I saw this guy and I started talking to him. And he hooked me up with these bags, bro. This is so nice of him. Okay, guys, hold on.
Excuse me, maybe you know this.
I have it right now. Give me 1 second. There you go. We got the chase. Very cool. I'm guessing that's the chase. Let's take a look on these moving parts. 2024 Maserati Gran Turismo Folgore. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. It looked like the Supra, like Toyota Supra to me for a second. And we have the 1963 Ford Thunderbird. I'm taking this one too. Very cool. (1984) Rover SD1 by the sea. (2018) Ford Focus RS. This is a nice one. Wheel swap and boom, let's go. Very, very, very cool. You know I'm getting this, definitely. Wow. I don't know if it's new, if it's old. I never seen it in my life. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it with me today. All I know is coming with me today. This is sick, man. Oh my God. Nice. Thank you, Jada, for making this so cool. Tokyo Drift.